Version of the message. And then what I'm able to do again over here, you have the message. And what I'm able to do, change my writing style, so basically changing the tone, right? So she sent it in a very slangish type of way. It's very new, very casual, right? So I can turn it into my message, I can turn it to the professional. So I'll click on insert over there, and again now it's translated that message back into French.
Wow.
Let me try it on this one also.
The photo came out nice.
I don't know if it will allow.
This is gonna be funny.
We zoom in.
Maybe you should only take the portrait mode, not the full mode.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Delete.
You are making me blind now.
I'm nervous.
I love it puts.
Oh
wow!
my goodness! Would you look at that?
That's crazy.
Wait. The original? Look at that. Look at that.
Oh wow.
You look younger! That's insane. That is absolutely
It removed your glasses.
No problem.
Yeah.
So I know we've all been in a situation where we've been in a group setting and people were talking, but we didn't really understand what they were saying because they spoke vernac. So with recording assist, all you do, go into your Samsung apps, voice recorder, record the audio or whatever conversation that you're trying to translate or transcribe. Once you've done that, the AI will automatically pick up on the speakers as well as exactly what was being said. Now this is still a problem because, we don't really understand. But to solve that, all we do, select our AI translate button and it translates automatically.
That is super handy.
And you have the option of changing the language as well.
Yeah.
This is obviously just English because we speak English. But if this is too long for you as well, all you do, summarize. Now this is the Spanish version of the summary, this English version of the summary. So super convenient, super helpful. And you have the option to translate it into another language as well, the summary. Now it's important to know that WebAssist only works with Samsung Internet.
Okay.
So we open our internet.
I've never used that, to be honest.
Yeah, so I know it's basically the same as any other search engine. It's just with Samsung, you know?
Yeah.
So I know we've all also seen something and we just want a brief description of what it is, or instead of scrolling through articles and articles, WebAssist makes it super easy for us to gather information. So all we do, for example, if this is what I want to read about, but it's a bit too long for me, all I do is select my text, look for the AI feature, select it, and I have the option to summarize it and to translate. And if I summarize it, it's given to me in key points. Now I can either copy this or just close it and continue my reading. But if I feel like I want this piece of information, all I do, add to notes, automatically it's taken to my Samsung notes. And then here's my article. Now if I feel like this is still too long for me to read, all I do, AI icon again, select it, and I have all these options. Auto format gives me the options to make it into meeting notes as well as headers and bullets. Or again, if I want to summarize it, automatically all of that information is put into one point.
Does it actually change the text as well to make it more easier to read, or is it just a formatting?
So this is just the summarize option, but for example, if I wanted to change the format of this, all I do is auto format it, headers and bullets, and then it kind of organizes my work for me into different sections.
Wow.
So it literally put it into different. And if I close this and I go to my notes, I don't even have to save it because it's automatically there.
Automatically there, yeah.
There's it.
I use notes a lot.
Yeah, so it's automatically there. I don't need to do anything, change anything.
Right, we've just gotten back from Samsung Unpacked, back in the hotel. Let's see what this gift is. GalaxyAI is here. This is very exciting. Ooh. Okay, looks like it's chocolate. I can't get this. Ooh, wow, look at this. This is very cool. Not gonna break this now. Can I pick one up? Is it gonna break? Ooh, look at that. I shouldn't really be picking this up, but let's see. Very cool. Thanks so much, Samsung. Really enjoyed Unpacked 2024 and looking forward to checking out the S24 further.